Right guys, I'm about to introduce you to Wilma. She's an 8-year-old African Grey and I'm going to get her involved more on this channel. She's 8 years old. We got her from Hull. I named her after Wilma from the Flintstones. Come on. Guys, as you can probably tell, Wilma's got a feather plucking issue. It's something that we've had checked multiple times at the vets, and they can't put a reason down to it of anything other than it's just now a habit. She's had tests and everything like that, and we don't know why she pulls out her feathers. We don't think it's boredom because I let her out the cage every day. She's always spending time with other people.
That's Forrest.